Hey guys, in today's video, we're gonna talk about how to build a Docker image and push it to ECR. So is gonna be our main focus. And before doing that, you need to make sure to have AWS account because that's where we gonna work. And also you need to have a GitHub because I'm going to give you the project link and you're going to pull that from, you're going to clone that from GitHub. And also you need to have the EC2 Docker. So, and if you remember, we done this in our previous video. So using Terraform, we launched a EC2 with Docker using Terraform. So you can also use that EC2 for this project. But if you didn't build that EC2 yet, you can also go back to our video and check it out. So you have everything you need. You have a link to push to clone the code and all those fun good stuff. Okay, so let's start it, right? We're gonna start by create the ECR repository in AWS first. And to do that, you need to go here, search ECR and press enter. So, and then when you got here, you just press get started, and then we're gonna create the repository privately. So the name of our repository, let's give a name DevOps, right? DevOps, and then let's put enter. That's good. DevOps good, and then we just hit create, so nothing else. Okay, we create the repository by the ECR. So if I enter here, you see here we don't have any image stored on our repository yet, so but we will have it in a few minutes. Okay, so the next thing we have to do now, we need to go to our EC2 instances and clone the project. Okay, here we are in our EC2. So we need to clone the repository. So to clone that project, let me go here in GitHub, copy the code, and then paste it here. Do a git clone, and then paste. All right, so this link, I'm gonna leave that on the description box, so that way you guys can go and clone this code. Okay, clone. All right, ls to check if it's there. Yes, it's there. Then let us cd to the directory ls. Okay, we are there. Okay, if you see here, guys, right, you have here a Docker file. The Docker file is the configuration file that help where we define all the different resources we need during the building of the image. So it's really crucial, right? So I will show you next time how to build this Docker file, but for now let's just build the image, right? So after clone the project, so we need to run the docker build command to build that image. So you need to do docker build -t. T is for the tag. So let's call the application web app dev for development, and then create that exactly where we are, right? So it's creating. So just wait, we pull everything, create. So yeah, if you see here, everything that is getting created is from that Docker file, right? A Docker. So just wait. All right, so again, yeah, successful. All right, we successfully create the Docker image. So the next thing we have to do now is to push the image to ECR. Okay, let's push. To do that, we need some information. So I forget to mention something very important here. So let's do this. To easily connect your EC2, this EC2 to AWS ECR, you need to install you need to have your secret key and your ID here in this EC2. So I did that already. So I don't want to show you that because it's really personal and I cannot show you that, so just let you know. Okay, so I cannot see that from here. Let me just go to the home directory, cd. All right, so let's do this, ls, this to the dashboard, AWS. What's going on? I don't have it. Oh yeah, I don't have it. Okay, I didn't do that. All right, so yeah, I need to have that here. So I don't have it. So I'm just gonna pause the video here and install that because it's really personal and I don't want anyone see that. So I'm gonna pause the video and I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is what I was talking about. So you need to configure the environment such a way that you can connect with your repository. So I have the AWS configure here. Just need to put in your ID, your secret key, your region, and then the JSON format you output. So you just basically need to type AWS configure and then it will prompt you to all this output and you will be able to put in your access credential. All right, so we are good here. So we are good. So if I do ls and do this tilde/.aws, so I will be able to see a credential here. So if I cut this file, I can see my credential, but I don't want to do that because it's not good to do that, right? It's personal. Okay, so now let's go back to our project. cd docker enter ls. Yeah, it has to be in it doesn't have to be in capital either. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do now, so I need to connect to my ECR. So I need to type this command